Hi, and welcome to Page Terrace Beachfront Hotel, located in beautiful Treasure Island right on the Gulf of Mexico. Page Terrace is one of the favorite destinations for your family vacation or weekend getaway. A family-owned and local hotel, you get all the local flavor of Treasure Island, with patios, beach access, and a beautiful outdoor swimming pool. We're currently on the beach right in front of the Gulf of Mexico. When you walk along the strip, you can find hotels, great dining and drinks, and lots of things to do. At Page Terrace, it's your perfect place for your family vacation, your weekend getaway.